Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about private blog networks. Now, what you basically want to do is build additional WordPress websites on related topics and keywords, and you want to only link back to your main website. Now, there's a few ways that you can do this. The easiest way for people who aren't good at web design or building websites, you can create free blogs. You can create a blog at maybe WordPress.com. You can use Blogger. You can even use, for example, Tumblr. What you want to do is basically create blogs that are based around your main keyword or a very competitive keyword and only link back to your main website. That's the only thing you want to do. And this is very good for very competitive keywords. It will help you rank for those keywords because, as you know, you need websites that actually have related content linking back to your website. So basically, instead of going out and try to find places to get those backlinks, you create the places yourself. You create the websites yourself that you want the backlinks from. So that's what you can do. Now, once those websites start to rank in Google, you want to set up a 310 redirect. So for example, as I say here, after your private blog network starts to rank in Google, you can redirect those domain names to your main website. And then all the authority and keywords will be passed on to your main website. So it will be a little bit harder to set up 301 redirects from WordPress and Tumblr. That's why I suggest creating brand new websites yourself, not on these free platforms, but create like a self-hosted WordPress website. Maybe like up to 10 different websites. I created about 12 or 13 for my insurance client, completely different websites. And then once those websites ranked on the first page of Google, I set up a redirect. So let me give you an example. Here's my client's website right here, Target Up Insurance. Okay, here's the website. So let me show you what happens. Let me show you in the search engine here. So this is for the keyword SR22 Insurance Anaheim. So we were focusing on the city of Anaheim. And SR22 Insurance is the type of insurance that people get when they get convicted of drunk driving. They have to get an SR22 insurance. Okay, so they wanted to rank for that keyword because it's very profitable in their industry. So you can see them here, Target Up Insurance, right? You can see them here too, Target Up Insurance, right here. Now, before this was here, this wasn't here. There was another website here that I built for them. It was an Anaheim website. It was called Car Insurance Anaheim CA. And I'm going to find it for you right now because there's still some of the links in the search engine. Let me see if it's on page 2. Let me scroll down. Okay, you see this one here? Car Insurance Anaheim CA. So I built an entire website that was only about car insurance in Anaheim CA. And I built 15 other websites like that had different cities. So one was Car Insurance Ontario, one was Car Insurance Fullerton, one was Car Insurance Newport Beach. I built all these websites and the websites only linked back to their main website here. Now what I did is once these started to rank in the search engine, all these links used to be on page 1. But then what I did, I set up a redirect. So if I click this right now, you're going to see that it takes you to their main website. Watch when I click it. As you can see, it goes to Target Up now. You see, targetupinsurance.com. So this is the website that it goes to now. Okay, let me go back one more. I want to show you one more thing. You see how this is on page 2, right? All these used to be on page 1. So what Google did is they switched it. So they took all the links here. You see these that say targetupinsurance.com, targetupinsurance.com. These links used to say Car Insurance Anaheim CA and Car Insurance Anaheim CA. So what Google did, they just switched the websites because when you set up a 301 redirect, you're telling the search engine that the website has permanently moved to a new address. So this was the new address where I said the old website moved to. And Google literally just switched the links around. So that's very important. So once again, you want to build private blog networks. And if you're good at building websites with WordPress, this should be easy for you. Just create new websites that are based around the keywords that you want to rank for. And then you only want to link back to your main website only. That's the only place you want to link back to. That's why it's a private blog network, because you control it. So you're only linking back to yourself. And then once it starts to rank in Google, you can set up a redirect. So redirect the main domain name to your main website. And I'll show you again what happens. I'll show you the cities we have for them now, for the insurance company. So Cheap Car Insurance, Anaheim, CA. Because cheap car insurance is a better keyword than just car insurance. Because when somebody types cheap car insurance, they're looking to buy right now. That's why they're typing cheap, because they have their credit card out, but they need a cheap option. So you can see they're right here. Car insurance, Anaheim, CA, Target Up Insurance. I scroll down, here they are here. You see, this used to be their other website. Google literally just switched it. It switched out the other website and put their main one there when I put the redirect. So there they are. And I could do another city too. I had a website for them in Ontario. Not Ontario, Canada, but Ontario, California. You see it's right here. I'll switch it to Ontario, CA, which is California. Okay. See it's right here. Then there's other ones, Cheap Car Insurance, Riverside. Okay, here it is. I just clicked that one. Okay, here they are again, Target Up. You can see them here, Target Up Insurance. Okay, so I did that with all the big cities that they wanted. And then Google literally switched out the old websites from the private blog networks and put their main website when I put the 301 redirect. So that's very good. And that's something that you can do for very competitive industries because, as you know, car insurance is very competitive. So if you're in an industry that's less competitive, this will be even easier for you. But you can definitely do this for competitive keywords. Just set up a private blog network, which basically means you want to set up other websites that have your main keyword or your a very competitive keyword, and just link back to yourself. That's it. So I know you'll probably have some questions about this, but like I said, this is advanced SEO. So some of these techniques, they're going to be advanced, obviously. But like I said, just basically set up other websites with your main keyword. And then once that website starts to rank in Google on the first page, then you can redirect it to your main one. So then you only have one website. Okay, and you can set up a 310 redirect easy. If you're already taking this advanced course, then obviously you know how WordPress works and you know how to set up 301 redirects with your web hosting. If you don't know, just contact your web host and just tell them like, hey, I want to set up a 310 redirect on this domain name, and they'll tell you what to do. So it's very simple. So that's basically it. So if you have any questions about this, I'm pretty sure you do, go ahead and contact me. Besides that, in the next video, I'm going to talk about age domain names with authority. And I'm going to talk about how you can redirect age domain names, but I'm going to show you how to find them and what to look for. So if you have any questions, contact me. Besides that, I'll see you in the next video.